This is Kindergarten Blues. Your right hand is on E and G with finger 2 and 4, and that is just above middle C here. Your left hand actually has to go 2 C's below, so 5 on super low C. And your hands take it in turns, okay? Your right hand has to sneak up onto the E flat here and then back down to 2 and 4. So there is a little bit of moving. I'm just going to play it all through. And I don't know if you saw at the end there, but my right hand had to move position up to 4 on B and then C, and your left hand does 1 and 5 at the same time. So left hand doesn't move, but right hand moves up to B and C.